Okay. Rudra is not joining, yeah? Okay. Okay, so great. So I am recording this session actually as Rudra is not joining today, maybe for some reason. Okay. So anyways, kids. So now because you have the queen, you can win this game easily. Okay. So what was important is
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, I can.
Yes, sir. Over here, right? Capture the rook. Capture the pawn with the rook.
Yes. And then?
After that, sir, give the pawn fork.
Correct. This is the double attack. Very good, Yashas.
But sir, instead of going to f6, it could have gone to g7, right? So that it can support the rook.
Right. That doesn't matter actually. I mean, end of the day, it is going to capture the pawn, right? So first of all, whether it captures earlier or later on doesn't matter.
Now black don't have any pawn. Now white has lots of pawn, so white can win the game, right?
Right. Okay. And we can see easily the white is winning the game now, right?
Sir, and now it's one move mate.
Correct. Okay. Very good, kids. Let's go to the next one again. This is black to play, kids. Sorry, white to play again. Sorry. White to play. Think and then tell. Abha. Yes, Abha.
Sir, we can capture the F7 F7 sorry F5 pawn with the bishop.
F5 pawn with bishop.
D3 is bishop.
But it will get captured, right?
Yes.
What is
so we can also sir, then he will capture our bishop. Then we will capture their
pawn with the queen.
F5 pawn with
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, but what next? You lost 3 points and gained 2 points only, right? Any benefit of this? What next? आभा त्याच्यानंतर काय? इसके बाद में क्या होगा? कैप्चर किया आपने, उसने कैप्चर किया, आपने कैप्चर किया, उसके बाद क्या?
सर उसके बाद
सोचो बेटा, फिर आगे का सोचो. ओके ओके किड्स.
ओके सर.
एनीवन एल्स? अद्वैत, मयूरेश, निवान, सानवी, श्रीपूर्णा, अगस्त्य. यस अगस्त्य.
If the bishop captures on f5, then the pawn will capture, then the queen will capture. Then if black plays something like bishop to d7 to attack our queen, then we will play rook to g4 and it's a checkmate. No, then king will go to h8. Then we'll first capture, then the queen will capture. Then what? Black can play move like bishop to okay. Oh, yeah.
Now you are saying check. What next? This is protected actually. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go back then. So this is not working. Yeah.
Yep.
What else? Advait?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
First, the pawn to G4. White pawn G2 to G4.
Okay. But will that help? What is next plan?
Queen to G5.
Queen to
G5.
next.
Pawn captures F5.
And your queen is pinned now. Can you see? Right? I thought of ahead of computer. I knew that computer is going to play this. Okay. Anyways, let's come back, kids.
So can I say?
Your plan was good. Yes, Sanvi, please.
So queen to F5.
Queen to F5.
Capturing the pawn.
Are you sacrificing your queen?
Sir, the bishop is there. So that's why.
No, but you cannot give queen for pawn, right? Sanvi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Advait, any question?
So actually my plan was to capture the pawn and then give the checkmate at H7.
No, that's what everybody is planning actually. Even Abha suggested to capture this, capture back, but later on, no plan. Okay. Now, even Advait suggested that we will bring the pawn so that if he captures, we can bring and then checkmate from here. Okay. But unfortunately, we can just propose. Not necessary that he will capture, because when he is getting rook, why will he capture this, right? And another important thing is, Black also understands that there is a discovered attack on the pawn. So he will not move this pawn. Unless
then, sir, we can capture it in the next move.
Unless and until you can make it forceful. Okay. So just think
Sir,
of
then
it.
in the next move, after him, if he doesn't move the pawn, then we can capture the pawn, right?
But it is protected, right?
It will capture again, then we'll move, and then we'll capture the pawn with the queen, and in the next move it will be checkmate.
Okay, so you want to say pawn? We should play pawn?
Yes, sir. Pawn to G4.
Okay, let's try. Now you want to say you should capture
the rook. Now capture the pawn.
Pawn. Okay.
It captures back. It will capture back, right?
No, he is giving you the threat from here.
Okay.
Now what?
Then I don't know now. I didn't know that this would happen.
Idea.
Yes, Nivan.
He not played that game.
Yes, Nivan.
Sir, I think that queen G5 first.
Queen G5 first.
Yeah.
Okay. Next.
Now it's
queen again.
So can I try?
Yes, Eva.
Sir, rook to B6.
Rook to B6.
How
Here.
can rook move?
This rook here. What is the purpose, Eva?
Sir, because if the queen can capture it, the pawn can capture back the queen.
No, but why will queen capture? If you are from black side, are you going to capture the rook? if you are from black side,
No, sir.
will you capture it?
No, sir.
Okay. So
It is supported.
right. So kids, when you assume something from your opponent side, okay, always make sure place yourself in that place. Okay. If you are from opposite side, are you going to do that? Obviously not, right? Because nobody will give queen in place of rook, correct? So can you think of some forced move in any other kids?
Sir,
Anybody
can I
wants?
try?
Yes, Advait. Yes, Advait.
Queen to h6.
Queen to h6. Okay. Next. Let's see what he plays. He captured your rook. Okay.
Pawn to g4.
Pawn to g4. Okay. Now see why he played this, because he want to protect this pawn. Okay, kids. Can you see? Removing the pawn. Okay.
Can I tell?
Yeah. Now you said capture. Okay.
Suppose he will capture queen h7. What is checkmate?
Queen h7.
Sir,
Yes.
pawn captures e5.
Pawn captures e5. Okay. Let's see what he plays. Okay. Next.
Just capture the h7 pawn checkmate.
We capture the h7
Queen to h7. Checkmate.
No,
No.
You are not paying full attention to the 64 squares. Okay, kids. You have got good ideas. Okay. अभी समझ में आ रहा है बच्चों आपका exactly mistake क्या होता है? When you are playing the games, okay. All of you are good players. Okay, no doubt. All of you are good players. I can name like each one of you. Okay. Honestly speaking, each one of you plays very nice. The only thing is what you do, you are not paying attention to all 64 squares. Okay. आप लोगों ने ये तो देख लिया कि अरे क्वीन चली गई, बट आपने ये नहीं देखा कि क्वीन के पीछे बैठा हुआ है रुक. Okay. Do you really think your opponent is not that smart that he will move the queen away without protection? Okay. Otherwise, he might not have allowed to bring this come here and give this threat, right? He was assured because there is a rook. Okay. Okay. Mayuresh, you want to give a try?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, we have to give a check by the rook.
Very good. This is the move. This is called as forced move. Okay, kids. Now see, when we give check from the rook, king does not have any choice. Okay, king cannot move anywhere. You cannot bring anything in between. So there is no choice but
So
to
your screen is
capture.
So your screen is stuck.
Okay, is it visible?
Yes, and now it came back. It was stuck before.
Okay, I was holding the rook actually.
Yes, now it is visible.
Okay, now what will you play, kids?
h6.
Knight to?
Sir, queen h6.
Queen to h6, correct. Okay, next what?
Next.
Cannot do the same idea.
Right? Okay, can we go back? Anything else? So queen h6 is correct, but instead of directly giving, can you do something like check first?
Yes, sir, I was thinking
now
of that
queen
only.
h6. Okay.
Sir,
now
checking,
see. Now can you see what he played?
Sir, I was thinking that only. So it's a checkmate.
What?
No,
it's not mate.
F.
It's a sacrifice from black side, kids. Okay. Now can you see how many things he is giving, because it's a check and mate from here. Okay. That's why he gave the sacrifices. Okay. Right. Okay, kids. So this plan was good one. The only thing is, instead of bringing the queen directly, you need to first move this king. Why to move this king here? Because the king who is protecting this rook will go away. Okay. So check. Now when I play this. Okay, kids.
So
When
now, suppose.
okay, yes, Nivan.
What?
Suppose he played this. Suppose if he plays this, it is a checkmate again. Okay.
Yeah.
So what else you think what black can do? Black cannot do anything now. Suppose if he tries to save this by coming here, it's a checkmate from here. Okay. If he tries to protect this pawn by queen, it's a checkmate from here.
He cannot do anything to checkmate the both.
Correct.
He cannot check the both.
Right. Both sides there is a threat. Okay. That is the reason giving check first is important and then bringing the queen here. Okay. So sacrificing the rook was important decision, kids. Okay. Pay attention, everybody. Sacrificing the rook here was important because when you give the check from the rook, it is compulsory move. Okay. This is called as forced move. Okay. Forced move. Forced means what? जबरदस्ती. Okay. हमने सामने वाले को.
No other choice.
Right. There is no other choice but to capture. Okay. So once he captures, then we are giving check from here, then queen here, and now you can see he is going to give us anything. Yeah, it's a checkmate. Okay. Let's move to the next one, kids. Everybody understood? Should we move to the next?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Lecture.
Black to play. Think and then tell, kids. Hesha, Eva, Sanvi, everybody, okay? Anay, Nivan. If
So
any
black
questions,
to
you
play,
can ask. Black to play. There is background noise. Who has raised the hand? Who is ready with the answer? Abha, are you ready with the answer? Or it is your last puzzle's hand, which is still up? Okay.
Sir, last puzzle.
Okay, so once you are done, take your hands down, kids. Okay. Otherwise, for the next one, it seems that you are ready with the answer. Yes, Hesha. Hesha, you want to answer?
Sir, knight F3.
Knight F3. Okay. What next? He will capture, suppose. Captured with the queen, suppose.
Then we'll capture with the rook.
What? The rook? Okay. And he captures, then you will capture with another rook. Okay. So you are getting benefited. Let's try. Okay. He might capture with the pawn as well. Let's see what he's playing. Okay. Suppose he captured. Okay, what if I capture with the pawn?
Sir, I can capture the rook.
Capture the rook.
So, but we cannot capture the rook back because then the queen will capture it and we have no support.
Right. Can we do something like this? Check
Yes.
and attack. Okay, this is the double attack, kids. Okay. Now where the queen will go? Either this side or this side, right? Another thing is he can bring the queen. He can bring the queen in between. Okay. If he,
But we can do the queen exchange that time.
yeah, no, not required to exchange the queen. Actually, if he brings the queen, we will capture.
Yeah,
Okay.
suppose he captures our
If he
queen,
captures,
then we can capture with a book. Then we
okay.
have an extra book. Then we can win
Now,
the game.
right now it is plus
So
for
we can
black.
move our rook to D1.
When are you saying?
I can capture.
Let's go back.
D1.
Okay. Okay, so this is good. Okay, suppose he captured with the pawn. Now in the first place itself, actually before you capture, okay, you can give the check. This is a double attack puzzle kind of. Yeah. If he brings, okay, now we have the support. We don't have to worry. Okay. So even if we capture with the rook, he might not capture directly. Yeah. And suppose even if he captures, capture and give check, he plays something and then capture back your queen. Okay.
Now we have two books.
Right. Okay. So in that case, he might not capture your queen. Okay. So maybe he will capture. Yeah. In that case, again, you can capture. Now he has no choice but to capture back. Right. Right. So in any case, again, you are getting extra rook as compared to the knight. Okay. So this is important. Identifying this is important actually. So Eva, well played. But kids, only identifying the first move is not important. Okay. You need to know the next set of moves as well. Okay. What all things?
Sir, even knight to f3 is also good because then it is double attack to rook and king. Means it will give check to the king will move and then we can capture the rook, but then the rook will capture and then we can capture.
Right. That's why it is the forced move, right? Because you are giving check, it is a forced move. Okay. And
the checks are always forced move to the king or some other piece, right? Because it either needs to capture it or
correct,
or bring something in between or move the king.
Correct. So whenever there is a check, okay, and plus you are attacking on any piece, so it becomes forced for the king, okay, or for your opponent to capture that piece. Okay. If it is just a check, he might move the king. Okay. If it is just a check, he might move the king. But if it is giving check and then attacking on something, then it becomes forced. Okay. So this is important. You identified correctly. If we capture with queen, then anyways you are directly getting benefit. Okay. But if he capture with the pawn, we saw that variation as well. If he captures with the pawn, then we are again giving check and attacking on the rook. Okay. This is important because earlier we had the double attack only. Okay. But he also have the double support, right? Yes, Nivan?
I want to say something.
Yes.
In this position, suppose he moves king.
King to where?
Any place.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay. So in that case, again, you will capture, right? He captures, you capture, right? That doesn't matter actually whether he plays the king or queen. Now he cannot capture because we have the support, right? So he has no choice but to do something. Maybe he might play here, here. Where will he play? Actually, he don't have the safe place, because if he, maybe he can come here, suppose. G.
Then we will
one.
do queen exchange. Of course, we will do queen exchange.
All right, queen exchange is easy because anyways it is blocked as well. Now you can easily capture this, right? And you can easily win this game. Yeah. Let's see actually how it goes. Suppose what will he play?
Suppose he can play A7. Queen.
Yeah, because anyways he cannot save this pawn, right?
Now we get in the, he will get the king. We can try to capture your pawns. With the king and help us.
To promote pawns.
Yes, he can easily promote actually. I mean, he cannot play here. It's risky. So he has no choice but to give away or maybe try something like this. What will he do actually? He cannot come here. Knight will get captured. He cannot come here. Knight will get captured. Yeah, maybe here.
So you can move the king, but then like,
right?
The pawn might get captured something.
From you can do from white side a draw. Then white can win the game.
What are you saying, Nivan?
Sir, can you go back to the where we are again?
Original?
Not here. To the end.
Okay. After this, he played this. This is another variation, kids, okay? Where maybe
White can win.
White can make, I mean, force it to draw. Okay.
Do you want to rejoin?
If you want to, if you play this here, okay. Okay, kids. So, but in
where we are, not there.
Yes, hold on. Let me check actually what we played. Yeah, he captured. We played this. He moved. Okay, you captured. He captured. You captured and you moved. Exchange, correct? And then he played this. Okay, this is where you want, Nivan?
No.
Okay, the next again.
We promoted to the queen there. I want.
Okay. So the queen promotion you want.
I'm saying.
Okay, this one. Yeah. Yes. Now.
Yeah, I can try to do a draw.
How?
I also don't know.
How can white try to draw? He can give, because there is no choice actually to just keep on giving check just because of knight.
One step back.
One step back. Okay. Here.
Yeah. Why are you capturing with a b5 pawn to the knight?
This one.
Yeah. Can capture its knight.
Yeah, we can capture, but when you are in promotion actually. Yeah, so that's the reason. Otherwise, it's anyways a simple win. Yeah.
Yeah, he can on the g3 and that pawn turn a2. We lots almost to go to a.
Right.
Then we can almost promote. One move.
Correct. Okay. So anyways, so this is winning for black. Okay. So understood, kids, yes. What was important? Identifying this double attack is important, and accordingly you can win the game. Okay. And after this as well, Shripurna, 1 minute, beta. Yeah. After this as well, there is another move that is, this is also a double attack. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What were you saying?
That only, sir.
Okay. Very good. Let's move to the next one.
Sir, do you want to rejoin?
No. Okay. We will stop here, kids. In that case, it is less than a minute.